Tianzhen Yangchen from Chisong, and Doji Gurme from Songzhen.
Jeji Tinde Milida Jisu, Luma Chang Jungini, Kachakabu Jungi Kiteri Tongshila, Tiarandi Lopje Yujung Pensing Tinden King Jungi Badi Basunchi.
Followed by 12 students carrying 12 white flags, symbolizing the 12 inter-house athletic meet.
Teji Suzuma Gashini, Kanteshi, Tarsakan to Ridutongshila, Sonsen Kantenki Tarsakin, Luma Rinjinamla, Tinti Yisila, Yeriamsinki Tarsakin, Luma, Katulata Yansinamula, Tishin Chikan Kantenki Tarsakin, Dangshin Rumalata, Lumosola, Chile Kantenki Tarsakin Nankin,
Followed by a group of students bearing the respective house flags. So we have Rangchung and Lumuso from Chisong House, Lasang Donga and Nima Lamo from Chiran House, Kotub and Yangchen Lamo from Yeji House, Rinchen Lamo and Tianzhen Yishi from Songzhen House. Next we have Master Tianzhen Pillai of Class 8 leading the school band under the great guidance of the school's music teacher, Mr. Tianzhen Topchor.
Zindim Gube Tachi Tuntuni Paridila Nimashita Jinyan Dambi Kangaru, Tinkabunida Tanzangi Nambu Tishin, Su Dambi Kangsing Laku, Tutingi Tuntaki New, Rangi Tudin Sambushita Sukam, Dishinkiva Yunga Chakin, Midumiruma Shigubani, Samu de Tanta, Sue de Tan, Sushi de Tanta, Chiso Tanlen to Tuntubi Nubaguba in the Teda Sunchi. Zindim Gube Lumanangi Jesus, Zindim Chunika Beluman Riditon Shila. Zindim Chunika Belume Tarchi Gujuni, Kuli de Tan, Sindingi Gelka in Shishidu. Dilu Zindim Chunika Be, Tarchi Shidin Janku, Ling di Zishin Dan Naxel, Bangjun Dan Pangli Tsunshin, Yetangi Gelji Tindilidaki, Kole Misiki Trading La Tangdu Chipasun, Shang Wigi Taring Sang Katangi Tintu, Yeni, Chasungi Gatan Marbu, Kolati Pati, Sumengi Lasun Kalbu, Kuli de Tan La Tuku Chipasun.
Next we have Class 10. The blue color of the flag represents the consistent hard work behind every victory. The sketch of the human heart in the middle of the flag underlines the importance of inner happiness and morality. The roofed out human feet beneath the heart brings out the fact that basic building slowly leads to a great victory. The heavy weight load that is lifted high in the sky resembles self-discipline and enthusiasm of a good athlete.
Jinchuji Kabedo Manamni, Ruditon Soyungi Taji Tundini, Turu Music Dinang and the Q Quinty Dudan. Gakoso Chindichirun Chu, Phoenix Double, Lutan Simshu Machapar, Narmal Shuki, Holandi Chiku Yungtatan, Q Quinty Shidit and Danyam, Ramansola Baby Mendon.
Next we have 12B. The pair of wigs resemble the messenger between